to the Ridge Outdoors. Today I'm just going to be swapping out a bolt on the rear shock absorber of my 96 V8 Grand Cherokee. I put a lift on it and new shock absorbers, and the original bolt snapped in half when I was driving. So I put one that just happened to fit in there. It was a little bit too small in diameter, so I'm replacing that one with the correct size. The correct size is a M12 by 1.75 by 65 millimeters long. The one I got is 70 millimeters long, so it's a little bit long still, but it doesn't rub against anything, so we're good to go. If you need to, like you just saw, just smack that thing out of there. The smaller bolt was stuck a little bit, so I had to finagle it a little bit. When you're doing this and taking it off, make sure you have some jack stands under there so it doesn't compress your axle or anything. But it's pretty easy, just thread that new one on. I had to repair the bushing of the shock absorber a little bit. You're gonna need 19 millimeter sockets to put the new bolt on, and the original bolts are also 19 millimeter. And if you're just replacing the whole shock absorbers on your rear, you would just take the top 19 millimeter bolts off as well and swap those things out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.